నల్పంరాది ఏలాది కొట్టం చుక్కాది మురివెన్న ధన్వంతరం Balashwagandha. If you're going crazy listening to all this, these are the ones that I reach out to of late for most of my skin and body concerns, and there is a huge difference that I see. Ayurveda is something that I believe in deeply right from my childhood, and this brand has just made my belief in Ayurveda much more stronger and deeply rooted. The brand is none other than Sesha Ayurveda. There is a reason why I love each and every product from them most of the times, and it is because they do not newly formulate the products, but they follow Ayurvedic reference texts like Sahasra Yogam, Ashtanga Hridayam, etc., and which has already laid down rules and regulations to make a formulation, and they make sure they use potent herbs that are prescribed in the right proportions to make sure their products are effective and efficient. This is the main reason why most of the products from the house of Sesha work on my and most of your skins too. I really feel proud when each one of you reach out to me and tell me how these products are helping you in your daily skincare and body care. Today I'm here to talk about my most 5 favorites from this brand. But before I start this, I want to put it across right here that I have a lot of favorites from this brand because they are getting us back the most trusted Ayurvedic formulations in the most potent my top 5, and I'm sure these 5 products are something that would suit most of the skin types. To start off with, my first product definitely has to be their Nalpamradi Thailam, which has got my interest in the brand and which has got me hooked to this. Nalpamradi Thailam is something that is a skin brightener. It works really well on tan and pigmentation. Most of the common skincare problems most of us face today because of the environmental pressure and the pollutants. So I'm sure this Thailam is something which is a must in a pre-bath ritual for each one of us. At least using it for a few minutes on the body parts where it gets exposed to the sun daily, and using it on your entire body at least once or twice in a month will still make a huge difference. And coming to my second favorite product from the brand, this definitely has to be the Karpuradi Thailam. So this is something that I don't personally use, but it is a favorite for elders in my house, be it my mother-in-law, my grandma, my aunts, my mom. This is something that I have repurchased the most because I keep getting my parents asking for this again and again. This is something that would definitely help elders in your family who suffer with this joint pains or any sprains, because as the name suggests, it has Karpura as the main ingredient, so it gives that relief instantly for the pains that elderly people feel. Not just elders, even you can use it when you have any sprains or muscle sprain. Coming to the third product that I really love, and there is no other brand that can even come closer to what Sesha provides, is their Eladi Thailam. I have been loving it for using it under my eyes specifically, and it works tremendously well even on my hereditary dark circles. They haven't gone away completely, but I can see huge difference. I'll be doing a separate post on what all I mix with Eladi Thailam to make it an effective under eye circle remover or an eraser. But yes, it is a must-have, and it is prescribed in Ayurveda for dry skin people. It also suits really well for kids. So if you are someone who suffered dry skin and do not want to go with any synthetics, Eladi Thailam as a pre-bath or post-bath body oil is something that you would be hooked forever. Fourth pick from the brand definitely has to be their Kasturi Manjil. I just love this, being a skincare enthusiast myself. Oh my god, I just get addicted to the instant brightness this one gives and the way it effectively works on those active acne, or to get rid of those acne scars, or to just brighten up your skin. But I know it might irritate few skin types if you use it directly. So I would strongly suggest you to use a pinch of it in all the face packs that you use. And to my last pick from this brand, this has to be their Nalpamaradi Churnam. What a product! I haven't seen such a product with anyone, and my weekend relaxing routines are so incomplete without a potli made of Nalpamaradi Churnam. It is a concoction of ingredients that go into the making of Nalpamaradi Thailam, and I just love the added benefits it gives to the water you use to take your bath. Well, these are my top 5 favorites from the brand Sesha Ayurveda, which I think are definitely one of a kind, and Sesha stands far apart from most of the other brands which might also sell these, but the results that you see when you use them are something that you would get addicted to. Let me know what are your other favorites from the brand, and I would be more than happy to know them. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back again next time. Until then, bye.